Hi, welcome to Democratic India. We are here today at Goagaon Bazar at Goalpokhur block in Uttar Dinajpur district. Here you can see that a group of people are here protesting. So let's go to them directly and try to understanding why are they protesting here and what is their problem. We are protesting here on behalf of SUCI Communist Party. The day before yesterday, we organized a protest rally like all over West Bengal in our Raiganj city of Uttar Dinajpur district. Our demand was very clear. We demanded justice for RG Kar incident, and we also demanded a college in Goalpokhur. We also demanded for MSP in crops for the farmers, and we also raised our voice against the black market of fertilizers. After peaceful movement, we went back to home. Surprisingly, at around 10 o'clock in the night, we heard that our SUCI Communist Party leader, the Raiganj town local leader Gopal Debnath, was arrested and false allegations were made on various SUCI leaders. So our demand is very clear that all false cases have to withdraw immediately, and our rest of our demands should be fulfilled immediately. And until our demand fulfilled, we will continue our agitations here.
এই মিথ্যা মামলা প্রত্যাহারের দাবি নিয়েই আজকে এখানে বিক্ষোভ পথসভা করছি।
Many vital complaints have been raised from today's agitation by SUCI Communist Party in Uttar Dinajpur district. They told us that until fulfillment of their demands, they will continue their movements. They also told us that they don't fear of false allegations and false cases. So dear viewers, time will answer the question that who will win, truth or false. I am Nirmal Sarkar with camera person Madan Singho, Democratic India, Goalpokhur.
অবিলম্বে মিথ্যা মামলা প্রত্যাহার করতে হবে জামিন অযোগ্য ধারা প্রত্যাহার করতে হবে আমাদের আন্দোলন চলবে জেলা জুড়ে আন্দোলন চলছে প্রতিবাদ দিবস চলছে মিথ্যা মামলা দিয়ে সুশীল আন্দোলনকে দমন করা যায়নি যাবে না লাঠিগুলি দিয়ে সুশীল আন্দোলন দমন করা যায়নি যাবে না পুলিশের মিথ্যা মামলাকে জানাই ধিক্কার জামিন অযোগ্য ধারা অবিলম্বে প্রত্যাহার করতে হবে